Hey, what's going on, my people? Tony here, another Q&A session. Hi, Tony. I want to say I love your videos and the 85-page auto body booklet. I've learned a great deal from this. I'm just about to spray my bike with a custom paint job, and I would like to know if I could put down a black and white base coat, then hit that with red or black metal flake. Will the white stay white? I'll be using an inner coat clear. Yes, you could do that. The only thing you have to worry about going over the white is if you're doing a red pearl. So pearl is a lot finer and will actually change the color tone of your black or white. So it'll basically turn your white kind of like pinkish if you put a lot of pearl in it, and it'll turn your black purplish. Okay, so just remember that. But if you're doing flake, because flake is a lot bigger in size, you're gonna just get that flake effect. So you can test that out. You know, I would test a panel or something that you don't want to mess up first, and then see how that looks before you do your custom paint job. I'm trying to find a motorcycle here with a custom paint job. Oh my goodness. I'm finding all kinds of images. Harley girl. Anyway, I don't want to get too distracted here, but and I will be using an inner coat clear. So yes, you could be doing the inner coat to spray your flake on it. And if you're doing flake, like I said, you don't have to worry about changing the color too much unless you have so much flake on it. But I would, do a test panel, like I said, to see how it lays out first and then decide. All right? So hopefully this answered your question really, really quickly. I'm actually in the process of doing 4 motorcycle gas tanks. I might be doing some flake candies and cool things on these motorcycle tanks. So subscribe to the videos here, guys. If you're watching this first time, I'll be having a ton more other in the shop videos coming up. I'm just kind of going through some Q&A that a lot of people sent in. I just wanted to reach out, make these videos, because I feel that the video, I can put a lot more storytelling or feeling into the video to get the point across for you guys. So it's Tony here from LearnAutoBodyAndPaint.com. Like the video, share, subscribe, click the link at the top right of this video, and a drop down will appear where you can grab a free 85-page booklet. Also down below in the description, there'll be a transcription of this audio, of this video here, and links to the blog, to the Learn Auto Body VIP site, and so much more. So it's Tony here. Love the video, share, subscribe, and leave any questions or comments that you have down below here, and I will talk to you soon. Have a great day. Peace out.